Hey guys, we're about to go into the Dollar Tree. This is a mediocre Dollar Tree, which I thought would be a good place to start because I want to make sure that everybody can get the things that I'm gonna find. So let's go. These caught my eye as soon as I walked in, thinking crock charms with my laser, and you can also engrave them. This little cute cactus corkboard, still mastering the settings for cork, but I know it is super engravable and fun. This is not new, but they have the Ticonderoga pencils that everyone loves, so you can engrave those, and erasers, which again is not new concept. But look at these thumbtacks. We can put these on the back of our custom pins, but they also have these cute little like kind of silicone-y pins that you could engrave or paint. And this is where I get my favorite chipboard books, and they actually had a new Frozen one. I was like, wait, I don't have this one yet. So I like to look through the pages to see if they have good enough graphics that I can make a few different Mickey ears out of. And they had Arthur. So I may have to come back and grab some more. I just have a bunch of books that I need to make sure I finish. But you have to make sure that the inside is also cardboard, because then you can use all of the pages. They also have wood frames, which are super easy to customize by engraving. You can add other elements with wood onto them to make them themed. And they actually have wood circles that you could use just as your wood to cut out. But they also have a bunch of stuff, like these random wood things, and you could engrave custom sayings onto them, these little boxes. And this, when I tell you this was a mediocre dollar store, it was a hot mess, y'all. All right, these paintbrushes I thought would be so cute to engrave the handles and bling and give to somebody who is a painter, because honestly these paintbrushes suck as paintbrushes, but they're super cute for like the DIY decor. And I had to grab myself a roller because I was out of mine, so I just grabbed this. But hey, it goes with the theme. See what I mean? This place was a mess, but all this stuff is engravable, so you can get any of this and engrave it. But I was not about to kind of go in and show every detail. These little chalkboard frames are super cute. You can make them for a teacher gift or some students' names if you have like something you need to engrave people's stuff on. Popsicle sticks, I'm actually making these for Dustin's garden. These cute little guys, I did take them home with me. I wanted to make into pins. Okay, I guess I did kind of dive in here. I also grabbed these dowels. Can't wait to show you what I'm doing with these. And look at this dinosaur. I didn't get him, but so cute for my nephew Cadence. Gotta get that eventually. Look at all these. I wouldn't get them here. I would go to Home Depot, honestly. But if you're in a pinch and you need a cute sign and a stick, I mean, here you go. But I do highly suggest going to like actual wood stores for more wood, but they definitely have things that you can cut through and engrave. But I will say this is not as good of a price as you can get on Amazon. You can get those in a pack for like $12 for 20 of them. I'll put a link below. But Mod Podge definitely grabbed that because I'm almost out of it. These little things, we've seen these used for a lot of stuff, but you can engrave your favorite books and then create that standing book sign and actually give it a little bit more texture. And all these fun little doodads. But look at these wood beads. You could put letters on them and you won't have to try to dig through and find the letters you need. And finally, clothespins. I love the idea of putting titles on the clothespins and clipping them to things. It's so versatile and super fun to engrave. Okay guys, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do any more stores or go back to Five Below, because I know they get new stuff all the time. So go along with me to stores. If you like this series, give it a thumbs up and please let me know. Otherwise, I will not waste my time or your time doing them ever again. Bye, love you.